Okay, this is my first tutorial on setting up a C++ IDE with Emacs as a base for intro computer science students in C++. So I have to say goodbye to Debian for a minute. So let's begin by opening up my Windows virtual machine. Okay. So you can see this is a standard Windows 8 installation. It's clean. Right now I can open up a command window and this is not an administrative command window. I can type dir. I have a few files here, but ls doesn't work. G++ -- version doesn't work. It's just a plain Windows installation. But we're going to change that in not that many minutes. I'm going to try and keep these tutorials to 5 minutes each, but there may be a few of them. So the very first thing I need to do is go to the internet. I don't really like Bing as a search engine, so I'm going to go to google.com. We're going to search for modified Emacs for Windows, which Vincent Goulet generously maintains, and download that. So we click Run. And the reason that we're going to start with Emacs is because we are going to have to do some editing of the environmental variables, and it's frankly easier to do it in Emacs than it is to try and do that in Windows. So it's going to be the basis of everything we do, and it's actually going to be a very useful tool in the process of actually setting this up. Okay, so it says all of these scary things, which students will be scared of, but we can just say yes, we do want to run it, download the defaults, we want to accept the agreement, which only protects our rights. Students won't be used to an agreement like that. Keep it in for the default. It's going to install it in the normal program files place. Yes, and we want to put it in the start folder. We're going to create a desktop icon and a quick launch icon. Don't ask me what the difference of those are. And in a few seconds, all of the 30 years of development experience that has gone into Emacs is downloaded. And this for students should not be a scary thing. This is, except for the fact that it's free software and they're not being asked to put in their credit card, this looks like any Windows install. And you know, there's a lot of work that I'm sure Vincent has done to put this in ODB to make this easy. God bless him. All right. So that worked, and now we can prove that it worked by going to the search. We see Emacs,